Today I am going to make a super soft, very tasty and low sugar dinner rolls. If you are looking for something new for your kids' school lunchbox or for the dinner, this recipe is for you. So here are the ingredients, here is the process, let's get started. For this recipe it needs 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 240 milliliters of slightly warm milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 45 grams of butter, 1 beaten egg and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. As the first step, let's mix flour, salt and 15 grams of sugar together. Then mix yeast with remaining sugar. After that, add 60 milliliters of milk to the yeast and pour it to flour. Add remaining milk, beaten egg and 45 grams of butter to flour. Mix by hand until all these ingredients are well combined together. We need to mix this until the dough becomes soft, elastic and pulls away from the sides of the ball. Now grease another bowl with coconut oil and transfer the dough into that. Then cover this bowl and let the dough rise around 90 minutes. Within this time your dough will become double sized. So it is better to select a large bowl for this. Then spread some flour on a board and keep the dough on that. Cut it into 15 pieces. Form small balls from these and place them on a baking tray. Make enough space in between these balls for them to rise again. Now cover your baking pan and keep it for another 1 hour to rise again. Then set temperature of your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake these rolls around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, get these rolls out of the oven, let it cool down and separate from each other. So now you know how to make these tasty and soft dinner rolls. Hope you are ready to try this recipe in the next time. If you need more details, all details are there in my DailyLife.lk site. See you soon with a new video like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like for this video also.